In today's digital age, the internet has opened up vast opportunities for individuals to earn a living and achieve financial independence without the constraints of traditional employment. Making money online has become a viable and popular option for many people seeking flexibility, autonomy, and the ability to leverage their skills and passions. The online world offers a multitude of income streams and business models, catering to a wide range of interests and expertise. Whether you're a freelancer, a creative entrepreneur, an expert in a particular field, or someone looking to explore new possibilities, the internet provides a platform where you can monetize your talents and generate income. However, navigating the world of online income generation can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. With countless options, strategies, and success stories circulating, it's crucial to approach this realm with a comprehensive understanding of the steps involved and the dedication required. This guide aims to provide you with a roadmap to making money online, covering various proven methods, practical tips, and essential considerations. Whether you're looking to earn a side income, replace your current job, or build a sustainable online business, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to embark on your online income journey, from identifying your skills and interests to setting up your online presence. From attracting an audience to monetizing your offerings, this guide will walk you through the fundamental steps necessary to thrive in the online marketplace. It will also emphasize the importance of continuous learning, adaptability, and perseverance in your pursuit of online financial success. While making money online offers immense opportunities, it's essential to approach it with a realistic mindset. Building a sustainable income online requires effort, commitment, and the willingness to learn from both successes and failures. This guide aims to empower you with the necessary knowledge and insights to make informed decisions and create a strategy tailored to your strengths and aspirations. So, whether you're a freelancer, an aspiring blogger, an e-commerce entrepreneur, or someone curious about the vast world of online income, let's embark on this comprehensive journey together, unlocking the potential of making money online and turning your digital dreams into a reality. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. Determine what you're good at or passionate about, as this will help you choose the right online money-making opportunity. Step 2. Research different online income streams. Explore various methods such as freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing, selling products, creating online courses, and more. Step 3. Select a specific online income stream that aligns with your skills and interests. Focus on one or two methods to start with, ensuring you can dedicate enough time and effort. Step 4. Learn and acquire the necessary skills. If you lack expertise, take online courses, read guides, watch tutorials, and practice to improve your knowledge and abilities. Step 5. Create a plan and set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve, whether it's earning a specific amount per month, building a passive income stream, or starting a successful online business. Step 6. Set up your online presence. Establish a website, blog, or social media profiles to showcase your work, products, or services. Make sure your online presence reflects professionalism and credibility. Step 7. Build an audience or customer base. Utilize various marketing strategies like content creation, social media marketing, SEO, email marketing, and networking to attract and engage with your target audience. Step 8. Monetize your online presence. Implement revenue-generating methods specific to your chosen online income stream, such as displaying ads, offering sponsored content, selling products or services, or charging for access to your expertise. Step 9. Create quality content consistently. Provide valuable and engaging content that appeals to your target audience. This will help you build trust, credibility, and a loyal following. Step 10. Optimize your online presence for search engines. Learn about SEO techniques to improve your website's visibility in search engine results, driving more organic traffic to your online platform. Step 11. Network with others in your industry. Connect with like-minded individuals. Join relevant online communities and attend virtual events to expand your network and gain valuable insights. Step 12. Explore affiliate marketing opportunities. Promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each successful referral. Research reputable affiliate programs and incorporate them into your strategy. Step 13. Consider creating and selling your own products or services. Identify gaps in the market and develop offerings that provide value to your target audience. This could include ebooks, online courses, consulting services, or physical products. Step 14. Leverage social media platforms. Utilize platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn to reach a wider audience, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to your online platforms. Step 15. Utilize online advertising. Consider running paid advertisements on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Instagram Ads to increase your online visibility and attract more potential customers. Step 16. Continuously analyze and optimize your strategies. Monitor your progress, track key metrics, and make data-driven decisions to improve your online income generation efforts. Step 17. Provide exceptional customer service. Prioritize customer satisfaction and go the extra mile to exceed their expectations. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly boost your online success. Step 18. Stay updated with industry trends and changes. The online landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed about new technologies, tools, and strategies that can enhance your online income potential. Step 19. Diversify your income streams. As you gain experience and success, explore additional online income opportunities to create multiple sources of revenue and mitigate risk. Step 20. Stay committed, be patient, and persevere. Making money online takes time and effort. Stay motivated, adapt to challenges, and continuously learn and improve to achieve your financial goals. Conclusion: congratulations! You have now reached the end of this comprehensive guide on making money online. Throughout this journey, we have explored numerous methods, strategies, and considerations that can help you pave your path to online income generation. By understanding your skills, interests, and the vast array of opportunities available in the digital realm, you have gained valuable insights into how to capitalize on your strengths and passions. You have learned the importance of setting clear goals, creating a solid online presence, building an audience, and monetizing your offerings effectively. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that making money online is not a guaranteed shortcut to overnight success. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. The online landscape is dynamic, and what works today may evolve or change tomorrow. Embracing a growth mindset and staying adaptable will be vital to your long-term success. Remember, your journey to online income generation is unique to you. The methods and strategies that work for others may not be an exact fit for your circumstances or goals. So, be sure to customize and refine your approach based on your own experiences and feedback from your audience. As you navigate the ever-evolving online marketplace, be open to exploring new opportunities, diversifying your income streams, and leveraging emerging technologies and trends. Stay connected with communities, networks, and resources that can support your growth and provide valuable insights along the way. Above all, maintain a genuine passion for what you do. Making money online is not just about financial gain, but also about creating value, making an impact, and finding fulfillment in the work you choose to pursue. Embrace the freedom and flexibility that the online world offers, and let your entrepreneurial spirit thrive. Finally, remember that making money online is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, celebrate your successes, and keep pushing forward. The online landscape is ripe with opportunities, and with the right mindset, skills, and strategies, you have the potential to achieve your financial goals and create a fulfilling online career. So, armed with the knowledge and insights gained from this comprehensive guide, step boldly into the realm of making money online. Embrace the possibilities, leverage your unique strengths, and let your digital endeavors soar. Best of luck on your exciting and rewarding online income journey.